Let's take a look at the first example. We're supposed to convert this number to engineering notation. We have exponent -4. -4 is not multiple of 3. So what I have to do, I have to keep in mind that the number on the left side of decimal point is supposed to be between 1 and 999. Okay, and my exponent is supposed to be, as I said, one of these exponents. Now, for sure, I cannot move my decimal point to the left because the number on the left side of the decimal point is going to be 0. I'm going to move my decimal point once to right, okay, for example, and see what will happen. My number will get bigger, exponent will get smaller. Anytime number is getting bigger, exponent is getting smaller. But if I'm going to move my decimal point once, I'm going to have over here -5. I do not have -5 in this column. I have -6. So in order to get -6 over here, I'm supposed to move my decimal point twice. That's why I'm going to have 260 times 10 to -6. 260 is the number between 1 and 999. I got power of 10, which has exponent multiple of 3. That's why this is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at the second example. Remember, there is always invisible decimal point at the end of the number. Next, we have to look at the exponent of my power of 10. It's -7. -7 is not multiple of 3. Look at this column. -7 is between -6 and -9. I have to move my decimal point to the right side, because if I'm going to move to the left, I'm going to have 0 on the left side of the decimal point. That's why my decimal point has to be moved to right. My number is going to get bigger and my exponent has to get smaller. Okay, so for sure I'm going to end up with power of 10 raised to exponent -9. So the difference between -7 and -9 is 2. That's why I have to move my decimal point twice to right. That's why I'm going to have 3 and 0, 0 times 10 to -9. And this is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at the third example. We have number on the left side of decimal point between 1 and 999. And we get power of 10, which is one of these powers of 10. That's why we don't have to change anything over here. And this is simply the answer to the problem.